Hi, good morning guys, it's me Sandy. Today let's make a block-on, a simple PVC pipe block-on like this. Making a PVC pipe block-on is pretty simple. Buy a 2 feet half-inch PVC pipe like this and a 1 to half-inch PVC reducer. Fix the reducer to one end of the PVC pipe. Your block-on is ready. And make a dart like this and shoot. Your weapon is ready. There it is. Guys, now let's make some darts to shoot. Just cut out a 2-inch sized square paper from a chart paper or decorating paper. And take some conical shaped pen or something like this, and fold your paper onto the pen to make a conical shape. You will get a shape like this. Then settle it with a paper tape like this. The shape of your dart is ready. Now we will resize the dart to fit into your PVC pipe. Take your PVC pipe and do it like this. Put the dart inside, rotate it 2 times or 3 times. You will get a mark like this. Just squeeze it like this, then cut through the mark. This dart is not having much weight, so it won't fly. For flight, we need a little weight. You can either add some putty or clay into the dart, or use your hot glue gun to add some glue into this dart. Now our dart base, we can make it to fly. If you want, you can add a little sharpness to the dart and make it like this. The nails of this size will help. Just penetrate the nails through the inside of the dart like this. Bring it through the other side. Now add some hot glue into the dart. And pull the nail like this. Tighten it. Let the hot glue settle. Now your dart is ready. You're ready to shoot. If you are using darts like this, never point it at any living being. It can cause injury. So be responsible. You can use a screw like this to make your dart little more impactful. There will be no sharpness, but the dart will be much impactful. Guys, let's learn how to aim a block-on. For aiming a gun, you will close one of your eyes and look through the barrel. Look above the barrel to the target. We cannot do that on a block-on because we are going to put our block-on in our mouth and shoot. When you put the block-on in your mouth, you are going to see 2 barrels. Barrel to both of your eyes. Aim in between the barrels. Lift a little up because when the dart flies through the air, it is going to be influenced by gravity and going to come down a little bit. Aim a little bit higher and then shoot. There it is. Practice it, then you will get an expert pretty soon. It is the length of the block-on which determines the speed of the dart. Longer the block-on, faster the dart. If it is difficult to aim the block-on, you can buy laser pointers like this and fix it above the block-on and you can shoot accurately. The laser pointer can be fixed with a zip tie like this. Cut the distal end. Now your laser assisted block-on is ready. Let's see. A point now. Let's see what happens. So guys, this is how a simple block-on is made. A 2 feet block-on like this with a dart with a nail in front, a sharp dart, can cause serious injury to living beings. So don't aim your blog on at any living things. Be responsible, use it only for fun. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I will bring another video next week. Until then, bye.